Could you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Jason. I'm a cloud solution architect in MegazoneCloud for almost 1.5 years.
So, how did you enjoy the event?
So, business first, I've been enjoying the event by going to different sections, going to different keynotes, and also sections regarding to AWS services. Secondly, I've been going around different booths organized by different companies such as TigerGraph or MongoDB, so to understand their technology and to really network with different kinds of people there. So other than that, so I've also been going around to different US restaurants trying different US style. So my experience there is everything is really, really big there. And it's like the first time I can like, finish like not even a half of them. So secondly, I've been like chit-chatting with different kinds of people there because people there are really open to a conversation. So I would say you're gonna engage in a conversation with different people like several times a day.
Which sessions did you have in the reInvent?
So talking about the keynote, I've joined Adam Zalewski section and also the CTO section, Warner Vogel's section. So other than that, I've also joined sections related to Amazon Connect, which, for example, is using Amazon Connect for sentiment analysis for customers, and also a section related to database management, which is using MongoDB to how to structure a MongoDB schema capable of managing like transactional workloads.
What did you feel and realize after having the session?
So firstly, I will talk about some of my experience with the keynotes. So I've actually learned about really different insightful cutting edge services, which is going to help the Megazone Cloud Hong Kong business. So for example, AWS just announced the AWS Application Composer, which is a drag and drop service for constructing your serverless workloads. Because one of the focus for us in Hong Kong is using serverless. So it's really helpful for us to use this service because it offloads the time for really coding the architecture. Instead, we can focus on more in a layer deeper, which is like constructing the Lambda functions, or for example, making the DynamoDB schema. So secondly, I've also engaging with different chats with the IT experts, with the presenters after the section. So, for example, I've been chatting with some of the Amazon Connect experts after the Amazon Connect sentiment analysis section, and I've asked them how to like manage like different core routings through different departments and different subdivisions between them because things can get really complicated because they have a lot of departments by customer. So they recommended me to use a feature which is called a routing profile. And they also showed an intuitive and short example at the scene while we're in the discussion. It's really a lot of technical insight that I've learned and how they approach to different problems.
In 2023, if your colleague will join the reInvent, what would you recommend doing?
So I would say you need to plan out the schedule like 2 to 3 months on the sections that you're interested before joining the reInvent because there are a lot of enthusiastic people there and they're probably going to book all the sections and most of them is going to be full if you only book it like 3 weeks ago. So the second thing I would say is don't be shy, do really chat with different people, no matter they're strangers or IT experts or just colleagues from another regions, because you can really see like how people go through different approach on handling a similar problem, and you can really learn like a lot of insights on how you can approach a problem in a much more better way. So thirdly, for like a more traveling advice, you do want to visit like Chinatown or Korean town if you want to get the best food in Vegas because or else you're gonna be stuck with burgers and cheese there, which is really quite a lot for me.